Hi, in this video, I'm just going to show you how to multiply 4-digit numbers with 3-digit numbers. These are quite big questions. It is sometimes students, they know it, but they get the answers wrong. And sometimes some of the students, they don't know it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do only 2 questions here. And then you can try to do rest of them by yourself. And once you have done, I can show you there are answers. I have written answers for all of those questions at the bottom. So all the answers are given at the bottom, so you can tally your answers with these answers. So, but I'm just to show you the method, I'm just going to do the 2 questions. So I'm starting with the first question. As you can see here, the first question is multiply 2819 with 813. Multiply 2819 with 813. So I'm talking about this question, which is the first question. So first of all, what we do, we multiply 3 with 9, 3 with 1, then 3 with 8, and then 3 with 2. So 3 times 9 is 27. So we write 7 here. And 2 carry forward. Then we multiply 3 with 1, which is 3, plus 2 is 5. Then 8 times 3 is 24. So we write 4 here. And 2 carry forward. Remember, we can't write full 24 here. Then we do 3 times 2, which is 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. Right? Now we have to multiply the second one with all of those numbers. But before I do that, let me erase these carry forward. So otherwise, when I will do the next one, so it will be uh, it will look a bit messy. So now 1 times 9 is, so before we do this one, we have to write the 0 underneath the first digit. Before we start multiplying the second digit, we have to put the 0 underneath the first one. Now 1 times 9 is 9. 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 8 is 8. 1 times 2 is 2. Right? Now, before we do the third one, we have to put the two zeros here underneath the first 2 digits. 1 0 here, 0 here. Now we can start multiplying 8 with all of them. So first of all, we will multiply 8 with 9. So 8 times 9 is 72. So we write 2 and 7 carry forward. Then 8 times 1 is 8 plus 7 is 15. So it's 5 and it's 1 carry forward. 8 times 8 is 64 plus 1 is 65. So we write 5 and 6 carry forward. Now 8 times 2 is 16. 16 plus 6 is 22. So we write 22. Right? Now what we have to do, we have to add them all. So please, this is very important to add them in a proper line. So they should be aligned properly. It's 7 0 0, so it's 7. 9 plus 5 is 14, so we write 4 and 1 carry forward. So 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. So we write 8 here. Then we add this line. So 8 plus 8 is 16. 16 plus 5 is 21. So we write 1 and 2 carry forward here. Now 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 plus 5 is 9. Then this is just 2. So we can just write 2. And this is 2. This is 2. So if our final answer is 22911847. Now what we can do is we can check this answer with the answers provided here. Is 22911847. Can you see it's exactly the same answer? So similarly, you can do as well. You can do one question and then check your answer. Do the second question and then you can go down and you can check your answers. Now I'm going to do question number, not second one, not third one, fourth one. Why? Because there will be enough space in between. So we can do the fourth question, which is this one I'm talking about. So here we have to multiply 9812 with 6464. So what we do, I'm going to multiply 4 with 2 first. So 4 times 2 is 8. Then 4 times 1 is 4. 8 times 4 is 32. We write 2 and 3 carry forward. 9 times 4 is 36. 36 plus 3 is 39. Right? Then we write 0 underneath the first one before multiplying the next one. So 6 times 2 is 12. So we write 2 and 1 carry forward on the next number, which is 1. So 6 times 1 is 6 plus 1 is 7. 6 times 8, 6 times 8 is 48. So we write 6 times 8 is 48. So we write 8 here. And 4 carry forward on the top of next one. So you can cross out 3 now. So 6 times 9 is 54. 54 plus 4 is 6 times 6 times 9 is 54. 54 plus 4 is 58. So we can write 58 here. Now we have to multiply the third number, which is 4, with all of them on the top, which is 9, 8, 1, 2. But before doing that, what we do? So remember, we put 2 zeros here. So this step is very important, right? So remember to put 2 zeros, and then we can start multiplying 4 with all of that. So let me first of all rub out these carry forward, because I will need this space again for the next carry forwards. Now 4 times 2 is 8. So we write 8 here. So when you multiply 4 with 1, we get 4. When we multiply 4 with 8, it's 32. So we write 2 and 3 carry forward. Now 9 times 4 is 36. 36 plus 3 is 39. Right? What we have to do now, we just add them. So we add this one, so it's 8. We add 4 plus 2, which is 6. We add 8 plus 2 is 10 plus 7 is 17. So we write 7 and 1 carry forward here. So when we add this line, 9 plus 1 is 10. 10 plus 8 is 18. 18 plus 4 is 22. So we write 2 and 2 carry forward. 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 plus 8 is 13. 13 plus 2 is 15. So we write 5 and 1 carry forward. So 9 plus 5 plus 1 is 15. So we write 5 and 1 carry forward. So 3 plus 1 is 4. So this is the final answer. So what we have to do now, we will just check and verify our answer, as the answer is given at the bottom. So here the answer which I got is that 4552768. So if we go at the bottom and 455 2768. 4552768. So it's exactly the same answer. So now I'm sure you know how to do them. You have learned the technique. I will recommend you to do all these questions and then check your answer. It's very important to practice at least 7 or 8 of these questions, at least 7 of 8. So you will become expert in this. So thank you very much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.